And we're live again. Hello, everyone. It is Thomas Hybki here with Dome Tag. Um, I have questions that I constantly answer about what different print qualities are, different aspects of printing. Um, so, printing, what to know. I wanted to create like a PDF that kind of explains this, but I wanted to first visually show you um, what this actually looks like. So normally when you print, you have kind of this background like that. You have this white sheet or a white background with whatever the text is. Normally it's black when you're printing on paper, but even if you were to like add some color here, um, like this, with a gradient or something, it looks good. There's nothing wrong with it. You can see the colors clearly. The problem is when you start to mix in like different metallic materials, right? Because metallic will react differently to colors than this white material will. So what I've set up over here is a couple of examples. Um, and we have this brush silver look, and then we have this sort of chromish sort of look. It's hard to really show what chrome looks like digitally because it reflects the light so much. So this is kind of what we've come up with. So just a simple pattern. As you can see, the colors look pretty good. It's as if it was on a white background. But what happens when you put it on this like silver material or this brushed silver material or this just normal bright silver material? And as you can see, that ink shows through as if it was just totally on that. So, when you print this, that's what it's going to look like. You're gonna see the colors, but they're going to be a little bit more faded, not faded, but a little bit different because it's actually using the base material to play with the color. Same thing with your brush silver, right? So you're going to have this look, and it could look good, could look bad depending on the image, but it's just something to be aware of. So when you have some element of your artwork that you don't want to have this silver to show through, we lay down what's called a white plate. And basically a white plate does that. It's just white ink under the image to make that image actually show as if it was printed on white. And you can see what it would look like up here. It really makes it pop. So you can play with these two different elements, the translucent ink and this opaque ink, to make some really incredible designs. And I've seen some different things like different products or even different makeup, different like makeup companies, and do this pretty well, and they'll just have some element and it will just really make it look awesome. So, but if you go like, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Go with something like this. Now this isn't gonna look super great, but what we can do, let's go like that. And what we're gonna do is oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, good, it didn't do it. Just kind of punch that out. But then, like I promise this looks really cool when it's actually done. Because you can play with these different elements and just make it really pop. But like if we had a stroke around this, well, let's see. Ooh, that is a big stroke. Let's maybe not do that. Let's maybe do like 0.1 or something. And then we make this, where's gradient? Oh no, we don't need gradient. We need, where is it? Appearance, yeah. So, okay, so that, but you can see what I mean. You can play with these different things to just create these awesome sort of images. And if you play with them right, the product's already cool as it is, you know, a dome tag. It really makes the image pop. But if you add these different graphic elements to it, you can make it look just really amazing. And you know, there's more that we could do with this. I would probably, you know, um, do something else. But this looks pretty good as it is, right? Awesome products. But yeah, that's translucent. That's white plate. When you want to add this graphic element, that's something. But that's my job, is to teach you guys about this. So I'm going to be creating a PDF document that, you know, when you're printing, this is what you need to know to make your image look just as good as can be. So thank you very much.